बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मिलती नहीं हैं या मिलने का वक्त नहीं मिलता है। सो मैं थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा कि जब मैं मुंबई आया तो दो चार लोग जो यहाँ पर हैं उनके बारे में। आई रिमेंबर मैं जब पहली बार टेलीविज़न में काम करने आया तो अजीज़, कुंदन और सईद, इसका रोगोपैक उनकी कंपनी थी। मेरे पास रहने को जगह नहीं थी। मैं एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच गया, मुझे एड्रेस नहीं मालूम था। मैं मुंबई में पहली बार आया था और कुंदन, बकुल, अजीज़, हिज होल फैमिली, सईद, सब बच्चे, हारून, राहिला, निर्मला, उन्होंने मुझे अपना घर दिया। पहले ऑफिस में रखा। बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी क्योंकि ऑफिस ये लोग 9 बजे सुबह खोल देते थे, तो ये आके उठा देते थे मुझको, लेकिन चाय के साथ और गुजराती फूड के साथ। सो आई लिव्ड इन द ऑफिस इन बांद्रा। देन मैं जब मेरी शादी हो गई तो घर नहीं था, तो अजीज़ मिर्ज़ा ने मुझे अपना घर दिया। फिर उनको घर की तकलीफ़ थी तो वो वहाँ पे रहने लगे। मैं ये बातें सिर्फ इसलिए बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरे फिल्म मेकर्स नहीं हैं, ये मेरे लाइफ मेकर्स हैं। मैं यहाँ पर होता ही नहीं। और मैं ये इनकी तारीफ़ के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये मैं सेल्फिशली अपने लिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई नीड टू say this. I need to somehow express this because there are not very many people who understand and know this part of me. Because every time I go anywhere, it's all about Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, the big superstar. But it's not all about me at all, ever. And then there was a time, अजीज़ को वो घर वापस चाहिए था। मुझे किराए का घर लेना पड़ा, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे। So I remember Rajiv called me and gave me money for my kiraya of my house. And these are small instances which I'm telling you because it made me feel कि मैं मुंबई में मूवी स्टार बन सकता हूँ। एक बड़ी फेमस लाइन है जो मेरी दोस्त अनुपमा ने शायद अपनी किताब में भी लिखी कि मैं एक दिन मुंबई को ओन करूँगा। वो हिम्मत कहने की या सोचने की इसलिए थी क्योंकि इन सब की बैकिंग थी। मेरे को पता नहीं था। आई रिमेंबर राजीव फादर सेड दैट तुम शादी करने वाले हो, शादीशुदा हीरो तो चलता नहीं है। And somehow Rajiv realized that this is maybe I don't understand this. And अब तो शादी हो रही थी, अब क्या करेंगे? So he landed up for my wedding very sweetly. I remember Abbas Mastan coming and wanting me to do this film, and I finished the film and I got the Best Actor award. I think my first one for a film as a Best Actor award, and not for debut or anything. And I went to their house to meet them. And I had never understood, and I'm sorry I'm talking personal, Abbas Mastan bhai, the hardships they lived in, but made these beautiful films, and never made me realize that I had become a star, and the director was still to make it there. They were the ones who'd made the greatest film of my career, perhaps, Bazigar. And so many of them have all come together and helped me become who I am, not just as a movie star or as an actor, but as the person that I am. And I owe this to them. And it's humbling that I come here. It's awkward I come here because मुझे मेरे हक का जो होता है, that's very important to me. लेकिन इस सारे success के ऊपर मेरा कोई ज़्यादा हक नहीं है actually. Because if it wasn't for people like this, I remember Praveen Nishal taking me, he's an intellectual, he used to sit down with me and tell me, you can be a star. So all these things, and I'm not mentioning lots of people, I'm sorry if I forget, but each one of them in the formative years of my life, whether it's Adi, Karan, Yash Chopra ji, Mani Ratnam sir, Hema ji, I want to thank them all. And I want to say this, and I'm not saying it with false humility or modesty. I genuinely feel maybe the goodness I still have at the age of 51 is a carryover from what I've learned from all these wonderful men and women in my life. And when I say women, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the actresses who have worked with me because I could not dance, I could not romance. There are instances when I'm doing a duet with a girl and they are the ones who are twirling me, it's not me twirling them. And they're all so beautiful that it was very easy to love them back and say the lines I've said which I didn't even believe in. And if it wasn't for these really strong, really fantastic, really more hard-working women than all the men in the film industry, and I'll say this unquantifiably, I don't think I would be this romantic star who spreads his arms and girls come running to him. And I want to genuinely thank them because I've learned a lot and I love them to death. And all my life I'll respect and love them. And I'd hope my children grow up with their children. And it's like when I came from Delhi, I had no family. I had nobody, and I tell this to everyone, that I have an extended family in all the filmmakers, all these leading ladies, all the producers, some other friends that I have made along the way in the film industry. If it wasn't for them, I genuinely would not be celebrating 25 years of my life here. So I thank you, and I'm extremely, extremely grateful that you made my life what it is. Thank you very much.